5 examples of choosing love, not fear, to ride out this ascension. And the last one is incredibly important. Number 1, illness. If you're somebody suffering from an illness, or you know somebody what's got an illness, instead of giving fear to that illness, just give it love. Because what you need to realise is that illness is your body's way of telling you to stop doing something what's making it ill. So it could be something what you're putting into your body, it could be food, it could be drink, it could be some toxins from the air, it could be something that you need to find out what that is. It could be energies you're holding on to from past traumas, what you need to let go, you need to heal. So instead of giving it fear and fearing that you've got this illness, send it love. Give it thanks for showing you the mistakes you've made so you can get rid of that illness and not get it again. Number 2, financial worries. Never give fear to financial worries, because all you're doing is lowering your vibration, entering into a realm where more and more negativity is attracted to you. Trust in love. Send out love to your financial worries. Trust in your journey. Trust that at the moment you might be going through a part where you've not got the money to do what you want to do, but then again, maybe that's not the lesson that you want to learn in this life. Maybe you need to go through financial worries and financial hardship to get you to the place you need to be. I can speak from personal experience of this, and I know it to be the case. And then when you send it love back and you trust in the fact that, okay, the universe will provide for me, and when you send out that love, you're attracting high vibrations back, and before you know it, the financial worries just melt away and you have what you need to be happy in this life. Number 3 is death. Never fear death, because at the end of the day, we live forever. So always give love. When somebody dies in your family, just give love to them, love to the fact they've passed, because they've gone back to where we're aspiring to go to with the Ascension. So never fear death. Never give in to the negativity of it. Never let it make you do things what you might regret, enter into lower vibrations because you're fearing death. That's what the Cabal use all the time. So actually, the fear of death is how they control you. So just send love out there to the point where you know you live forever. So there's nothing to fear. So just send out that love. Number 4, losing loved ones. Very similar to death. You need to see the bigger picture and realise that loved ones do go and they do sacrifice their self from a higher perspective, so you can then go through a journey what their death might prompt you to do. So this may be going through the grief process, realising that they did something that you shouldn't do, whatever it may be. And also send love out to loved ones and just feel happy that they've been part of your life. This can be animals as well, dogs, cats, what are very dear to us. Just don't give in any fear. If they are ill and they do pass on, just send out love and be thankful for what they've done in your life and the reasons they've done that for you and your journey. Now, number 5 is very, very important at this present time of making this video, and it's do not give fear to war. Do not feed it. Do not listen to the negativity out there. Do not give fear to the fact that it may happen some sort of war. Just rise above it and send love out there. Send love to both sides in a war. Don't see it from one point of view or the other. See it from the higher perspective. Send love out to the ones what you may consider to be aggressor, because they're the ones what need the love most. They're the ones what's disconnected to source the most, and they're the ones that need your love more than anybody. Send out that love to them. Help them to see the error of the ways. Do not send fear, do not send hate out to them, because it only lowers the vibration and feeds into that war. So just send out love, and that's the best thing and the biggest thing you can do at this present time on this earth. Thanks a lot, guys. Love you all. Bye.